Hello friends, we are going to discuss identity operator in Python. Python is having two identity operators. They are is and is not. The identity operators are used to check if both operands refers to the same memory location. That means identity operator compare the memory location of two objects. It returns true or false accordingly. Is and is not are the identity operator. First we will discuss the is operator. A is B. A is B returns true if both operands, that means A and B, which refers to the same object, that means both referring the same memory location, the is operator return true, otherwise it returns false. Is not, so we have to use an operand A, is not operand B. So left side we are having an operand, left hand side operand, and right hand side we are having the another operand. So it is not returns true if both operands are pointing to the different object. That means both operands referring to the different memory location. It returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. We will see a demo. So here I am having a variable x. I am assigning a value 200. Y I am assigning a value 225. For Z, I am assigning a value 200. So see in this example, the X and Y which refer the same object, that means to the value 200. It means it refer the same memory location. 225, it refer the different value, it refer the different memory location. We will check how the identity operator works. Now I am printing a print statement print. Okay, in the string I'm giving what I'm comparing with using identity operator x is y. Then here I'm writing expression x is y. Next I'm comparing x is z. So x is z. We will run the program. Here x is y is false because x is referring a value 200, y is referring 225. It is false. X is z is true because it is having a value 200. That means they refer the same memory location. I'm writing another print statement. I'm writing another print statement. Print x is not y. I'm giving x is not y. We check the result. So x is y is false, x is z, x is 200, y is 200. So it returns true because the value is 200, which is is an object which refer the same memory location. X and z refer the same memory location. Then I am writing x is not y because x is 200, y is 225. They are referring the different memory location. That's why x is not y is true here. So we will print the memory location of the x, y, and z. Print x memory location. X memory location. So we have to use ID operator to access the memory location of the particular object. So is x. Likewise, I am going to print the memory location of the y. I am printing memory location of Z. So Y memory location, Y's memory location, and Z's memory location. So X memory location and Z memory location are the same. Y is having the different memory location. Now I'm making a value, now I'm making a change in the program. What I am doing, I'm making Y equal to Y minus 25. Y equal to Y minus 25. Now the value of Y equal to 200. So now X and Y and Z, they used to refer the same memory location. We'll run the program and check the result. Now see here, X is Y is true, X is Z is true, X is not, Y is false. Now because X and Y are referring the same memory location and Z also. So X memory location, Y's memory location and Z's memory location are the same. That's it. In this video, we have discussed about the operator is and is not. They are known as a identity operator and the example for the identity operator. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.